What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best underwater drones in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're a beginner, we've specially selected for you the Chasing Innovation Dory, also known as the best beginner underwater drone available on the market in 2023. Chasing Innovation is back in force with the Dory underwater drone. This device will be your best companion during your outings in the water, as it easily slips into your bag thanks to its ultra compactness. The drone is equipped with a low-light camera and is capable of recording in 1080p while moving at a depth of up to 15 meters in high quality. The device can also be connected to a smartphone through the mobile Chasing Dory app. Therefore, you have the possibility to manage it remotely and then publish your creations on social networks. In terms of performance, this Dory underwater drone has a 4800 mAh battery for an excellent autonomy of 1 hour. Additionally, keep in mind that it is particularly lightweight for easy handling. Chasing Innovation Dory is especially specialized in making videos in low light. It also offers precise movements up to a 45-degree tilt, and its management is even easier thanks to a well-thought-out design. The device also boasts a quick 2-stage launch, and we must not forget the built-in lighting either. 2 LEDs of 250 lumens each. The photo and video image quality is 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS. It also has a 16GB SD card, which will do a pretty good job for beginners. Smaller than a standard sheet of paper, the Dory is specifically designed for the large-scale market, with a highly functional travel size, intuitive controls, and quick setup, not to mention a very affordable price. Dory is powered directly from the battery placed in the casing, and you can get a full and dynamic color in absolutely all conditions. You can use Chasing Innovation Dory whether you're sailing, diving, taking underwater photos, or fishing. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'll talk about on our review list for today is the PowerVision PowerDolphin, also known as the best surface underwater drone available on the market in 2023. If you want to explore the underwater playground of our largely unexplored oceans, either for leisure or as part of your professional activity, you'll need a waterproof drone. First of all, the device can be controlled and used at depths of 100 meters. But even better, it has an impressive dive time of 3 hours and a maximum speed of 2 meters per second. With this model, you can easily record and share impressive 1080p HD video with its optimized camera. We love the cool and stylish design of this drone, which is purposely created to move like a fish in water. It's a solid and sturdy drone that's easy to carry and has sleek, easy-to-use controls. With the rubber bumpers surrounding the sleek white body, it's easy to handle and use and won't slip in wet conditions. The lens itself is also protected from scratches by a hardened sapphire coating. The camera is specially optimized for sea and marine shooting with a wide-angle lens for shooting a wide field of view and is calibrated to work in low-light conditions. It also has an advanced color correction function with built-in algorithms that allow you to see the true colors of underwater landscapes. The drone is suitable for a wide range of activities and applications. The PowerVision PowerDolphin is versatile, reliable, and fun to use. A bit of a revolutionary drone. It's equipped with an anti-tip mechanism, which promotes insurance in case of stormy waters. No need to panic with this device, even in extreme and violent navigation conditions. PowerVision PowerDolphin Wizard has a 4K resolution camera and 132-degree rotation. The latter has the advantage of being a dual joint that can photograph above and below water. Unrivaled picture quality is guaranteed from the top of these 12 million pixels. Regardless of the conditions, you'll have a better picture and video quality. Highly recommended. If you don't hesitate to spend a few dollars more in order to get a top quality product, we especially single out the Qysea Fifish V6 for you as the best premium underwater drone available on the market in 2023. Qysea Fifish V6 offers you the most important features of this type of product. It has a 12-megapixel photo sensor and 2 4,000 lumen LED projectors. It can produce 4K videos at 30 frames per second, offering you quality footage up to 100 meters deep. Super convenient, the device responds to the finger and the eye on several control axes. It turns, moves forward, tilts, and performs figures to follow the movement of the fish. It's just perfect in the water. And that's not all, as this model comes with a VR headset, which allows you to fully immerse yourself in his exploration of the dive site, as if you were an experienced diver. The battery lasts for more than 4 hours, which gives you plenty of room to maneuver. The Qysea Fifish has a controller, so you can direct it with your phone. The package also includes a 100-meter cable and 2 chargers. Indeed, this device is both versatile and nimble. Its ergonomic design also provides optimal fit and exceptional user comfort. This drone is powerful because it can easily detect movements and promises you a real-time view, enough to enjoy an immersive experience that takes your breath away, and you can share the final rendering on social media. The V6 combination of the VR box and app puts users in the pilot seat of the drone, providing a sublime and immersive control experience. Combined with the advanced VR head tracking feature, the aircraft can not only be controlled from a first-person perspective, but users gain full 360-degree control over the aircraft's rotations by simply moving their heads. Tilt your head to the side to roll the drone, look up to tilt it up, and look right to turn it right. Using the innovative 6-vector thrusters, the V6 is capable of all possible angles and directions of movement. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, we present to you the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini, which quite rightly took home the silver medal and won the title of the runner-up Best Underwater Drone available on the market in 2023. Gladius Mini is now equipped with 5 powerful motors that allow it to stabilize perfectly and move in all directions. To optimize the hydrodynamic profile with a high-performance liquid drainage system, the company relied on the shape of the fish gills. We can also find this gill pattern on the sides of the device. Its hull is designed to offer the least possible resistance to currents and to deliver rapid evolution as well as perfect stability. To drive 5 powerful submarine motors, 2 at the back for horizontal evolutions and 3 vertical motors in the shape of a triangle, the Mini Gladius uses a new control algorithm that guarantees the incredible stability of the underwater drone. Thanks to the new engine layout connected to the AI algorithm, the Gladius Mini maintains perfect stability on both the horizontal and vertical axis. The novelty of this mini version is the ability to tilt the ROV more or less than 45 degrees up and down. Once the optimal position is achieved, it's advisable to lock these parameters, thanks to the tilt lock mode, and then take underwater movies. This option allows you to offer multiple viewing angles to make your movies more dynamic. As for the camera, the Gladius Mini uses a 2.3-inch 12-megapixel sensor, fronted by an f3.0 lens. It has an ISO range of 100 to 3200 and can shoot raw images in JPEG and DNG formats. You can record 4K 3840 by 2160 video at 30 FPS with a bitrate of 60 megabits per second. You can also record full HD video at 30, 60, or 120 FPS. Photos and videos are stored on a 64GB micro SD card. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall underwater drone on the market in 2023. Meet PowerVision PowerRay. If you're looking for a drone that can be used for precision fishing and underwater reporting, this is your ideal drone. Undoubtedly one of the best waterproof and durable drones at great depths that will allow you to see underwater life in perfect detail. Pay attention to its amazing features. This unmanned underwater drone was created to satisfy sports enthusiasts, photography enthusiasts, explorers, and fishermen, among many others. High-resolution movie recording, a 4K UHD underwater camera has been developed exclusively for PowerRay. You'll be able to capture your best catch of fish and other marine life directly underwater. Also, you can inspect any corner of the sea, control gravel, engines, and jumps with ease. You'll be able to capture detailed high-resolution images and close-ups while staying dry. Also, thanks to the connected cable that comes in the box, you can hit unimaginable depths. In addition, the device has a detachable sonar for locating fish, and there is also a 4K camera that broadcasts live in HD with a maximum autonomy of 4 hours. That is, you'll have really impressive working time. The camera can be controlled remotely or connected to mobile devices so that they also display the photos or videos it sends in real time as well as its position. The app, available for iOS and Android, allows you to control the 4K UHD camera and configure the lighting and speed options. Also, thanks to the VR goggle, an optional virtual reality device, the user will be able to enjoy a first-person experience underwater and manipulate the robot with head movements thanks to sophisticated software for motion recognition. This product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best underwater drones in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.